Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're rocking the Nothing Phone 3 or thinking about getting one, you're in for a treat today. This phone is packed with amazing features, but some of the best ones are hidden or not immediately obvious. So, in this video, I'm going to share over 20 tips, tricks, and hidden features that will take your Nothing Phone 3 experience to the next level. Let's dive in! Tip 1. Customize Glyph Interface. First up, let's talk about the Glyph Interface. Did you know you can customize the light patterns for different notifications? Head to Settings, Glyph Interface, Notifications, and assign unique light patterns to your favorite contacts or apps. It's not just cool to look at but also super functional. Tip number 2. Quick app launch with Glyph. Here's a pro tip. You can set up the Glyph interface to launch specific apps when you hold the phone in a certain way. Go to Settings, Glyph Interface, Quick Launch, and assign your most used apps. It's a game changer for quick access. Tip number 3. Enhanced Dark Mode. Dark mode on the Nothing Phone 3 is already great, but did you know you can schedule it to turn on automatically at sunset? Go to Settings, Display, Dark Mode and set it to Automatic. Your eyes will thank you. Tip number 4. Hidden Gesture Controls. Gestures are a huge time saver. Swipe up and hold for recent apps. Swipe diagonally from the corners for quick shortcuts. Or double tap the back of the phone to launch the camera. You can customize these in Settings, System Gestures. Tip 5. Battery Saver Pro Tip. Want to squeeze more juice out of your battery? Enable Adaptive Battery in Settings. Battery. It learns your usage patterns and optimizes power consumption for the apps you use most. Tips up to 6. Custom Always-On Display. Make your always-on display truly yours. Go to Settings, Display, Always-On Display, and customize the clock style. Add widgets or even show your favorite quotes. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. Tip 7. Hidden Game Mode. Gamers, listen up. The Nothing Phone 3 has a hidden game mode that boosts performance and blocks notifications. Go to Settings, Advanced Features, Game Mode, and turn it on for a smoother gaming experience. Tip 8. One-handed mode. Using the Nothing Phone 3 with one hand? Enable one-handed mode by swiping down on the home button. You can adjust the screen size to make it easier to reach everything. Tip 9. Smart Folder Organization. Tired of a cluttered home screen? Use Smart Folders to automatically group similar apps together. Just long press on the home screen, select Folders, and let the phone do the work for you. Tip 10. Hidden Camera Features. The Nothing Phone 3 camera has some hidden gems. Try the Pro mode for manual controls or enable Super Steady mode for ultra-smooth videos. Don't forget to explore the Night mode for stunning low-light shots. Alright, we're halfway through, but there are still so many tips to cover. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Now, let's get back to it. Tip number 11. Quick share with Nearby. Sharing files with other Android devices. Use Nearby Share. Just enable it in Settings, Connected Devices, Connection Preferences, and share files instantly without any apps. Tip 12. Customizable app icons. Want to give your phone a fresh look? Go to Settings, Display, App Icons, and choose from a variety of icon packs. You can even mix and match for a unique style. Tip 13. Hidden Security Features. Security is key. Enable Lockdown Mode by holding the power button, which disables biometrics and only allows PIN entry. Perfect for those extra sensitive moments. Tip 14. Smart Reply in Messages. Save time with Smart Reply. When you get a message, the Nothing Phone 3 suggests quick responses based on the context. It's a small feature that makes texting so much faster. Tip 15. Hidden Sound Profiles. Customize your sound profiles for different scenarios. Go to Settings, sound, and create profiles for work, home, or outdoor activities. You can even set them to switch automatically based on your location. Tip 16. Dual apps for social media. Need 2 accounts for the same app? Use the Dual Apps feature in Settings. Advanced features. It's perfect for managing personal and work accounts on apps like WhatsApp or Instagram. Tip 17. Hidden developer options. Unlock developer options by tapping the build number in Settings about phone 7 times. From there, you can tweak animations, enable USB debugging, and more. Just be careful what you change. Tip 18. Quick access to Google Assistant. Need help fast? Squeeze the sides of your phone to activate Google Assistant. You can enable this in Settings on System Gestures. Tip 19. Hidden wallpaper effects. Spice up your home screen with live wallpapers. Go to Settings Display Wallpaper and choose from a variety of dynamic options. Some even interact with the Glyph Interface. Tip 20. Emergency SOS Safety First. Set up Emergency SOS by pressing the power button 5 times. It will send your location to your emergency contacts. You can configure this in Settings, Safety, and Emergency. And there you have it. Over 20 tips, tricks, and hidden features for your Nothing Phone 3. I hope you found these helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. Let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite, or if you've discovered any cool features I missed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.